How to knit jute stitch. Jute stitch is created by alternating knit, purl and slipped stitches and adds a lovely texture to your project. You'll need to cast on an odd number of stitches for this technique. Then repeat the following 2 rows. For the first row, you'll alternate between one purl stitch and slipping the next stitch. Hold your working yarn at the front and purl the first stitch. Keeping the yarn in front, slip the next stitch purlwise from the left needle to the right. Repeat these steps until you reach the last stitch of the row. Purl one stitch, slip the next stitch. Then purl the last stitch. In the second row, you'll alternate between one knit and one purl stitch. Knit one stitch, then purl one stitch. Repeat until you reach the last stitch of the row. Top tip: remember to bring your working yarn forwards for each purl stitch and take it to the back for each knit stitch. Knit the last stitch. You can now knit jute stitch.